Welcome to PurpleDaisyStudio, Art for Early Beginners. We're drawing something that moves today that has lots of cars, but it's not a car. Let's check inside the Purple Daisy box and we'll see what it is. We're drawing a train. Let's first create just a little bit of a rectangle for one of the train cars. Another skinnier one on top, and almost completed circles, but not quite, just kind of hiding behind the rectangle of the car. Create circles inside. And then horizontal lines to begin working on the engine. And we're going to go with a vertical line up, horizontal line, vertical line down, and a rectangle window. And then right in here, we're going to add a circle for another train wheel. Let's see, we're going to add a horizontal line here, and then we'll add the other wheels. Now, remember, I am tracing on top of a train I have already drawn because it just makes it go a lot faster. And you can back up and watch this again. It's just a lot easier to draw with a pencil, isn't it, too, so that you can erase. When I draw with a Sharpie, I cannot erase. Okay, we'll come down. And we'll give him a little window. Or no, that's the window. Just some other detail there. All right, now we'll add some color. Did you know that Thomas the Tank Engine is over 65 years old? I'll write train in case you'd also like to write it. T-R-A-I-N, train. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. And if you enjoyed the content of this video, please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be sure to receive all my latest videos. I'll see you next time.